The Wolf Gourmet Cutlery Collection merges the precision of Japanese-style blades with the durability of German knives to inspire confidence in the kitchen. Wolf Gourmet Cutlery is meticulously forged and ground using advanced laser technology to ensure a precise 12.5-degree cutting angle, resulting in a razor-sharp edge. To create the ultimate cutting edge, a specialty high-carbon stainless steel is used to achieve a Rockwell C hardness of 61 for an exceptionally hard, durable, long-lasting edge that's still resistant to microchipping. Patented blade shapes are designed to reduce fatigue, and the full tang design provides perfect balance for confident slicing, dicing, and mincing. German craftsmen have taken special care to round spines and bolsters for ultimate comfort, while the patented Paca wood handles are designed to fit securely and comfortably in the right or left hand. Wolf Gourmet Cutlery is your trusted culinary companion for a lifetime of great meals.